Let's get you some stock-specific news. NBCC on our radar today. The board has approved the acquisition of Hindustan Steelworks. Anup Kumar Mittal, CMD of NBCC, joining us on the line now. Mr. Mittal, thanks for speaking with us. Just run us through the synergy or gains that you're hoping to see through this acquisition. The markets are not very enthused by it. The stock is under a little bit of pressure, but give us a sense of the synergy.
You see, Hindustan Steelworks is a company under Ministry of Steel, formed maybe 30-40 years ago. So primarily their initial mandate was to work in the steel industry only. So now, but last 10 years they are doing similar kind of job which we do, that is PMC job primarily. So their 75% revenue is coming from PMC job and 25% typically steel industry. So this company was provided some loan by Government of India and banks for VRS scheme and other things 10-15 years ago. So this company is having a debt of about 2,000 crore rupees and mainly from government loan and bank loans. And they have order book of 8,200 crore rupees on their record, and last 3 years average turnover income is about 1,500 crore rupees each year. And operating profit is 100 crore rupees every year. Of course, they are making loss ultimately because of interest burden. So these are the contours of the company. Now, when this company was offered to NBCC, our board agreed to acquire this company with the condition that government will restructure their balance sheet, means waive off all the government loans and will take care of contingent liabilities and bank loans with up-to-date interest. So these are the things.
Are you suggesting that you're going to get a company with a good order book but no debt and a clean balance sheet?
Absolutely. There may be some, a small amount they may say because of any reason, but primarily clean balance sheet.
Hindustan Steelworks also has a steel business. Is it going to be a non-core business for you?
See, they are doing steel business like a PMC company. So they are taking contract as a project management consultant in steel industry. So it's another opportunity for NBCC as long as that is making profit. So like we are doing buildings, and if we get a steel plant on PMC work with a negative working capital, so we would definitely like to continue with that.
Can you give us a sense of what some of the costs involved are likely to be in terms of, taking people onto your books? Is there a cost with that?
No, not exactly. They have only 70 odd permanent employees on this record, which may retire in next 4 or 5 years in phases. They are running this company through contract engineers, which they are engaging on time to time. So that we will decide how to continue with them since they are on contract only, small time, 3 months and 6 months contract. Initially, the board has agreed to run this company as a subsidiary company.
Mr. Mittal, I think we should just take a step back and talk about the rationale behind NBCC really pursuing this deal.
You see, the basic reason was since they have order book of 8,200 crore rupees and they are continuing to get this kind of order every year. So we thought it's good to, when company is being given to NBCC without any debt, with no worker liability, clean balance sheet, everything is good everywhere, 7% profit they are making. So we thought, why not to, take over this company. So our revenue, of course, will increase in next financial year substantially because of this company, in addition to what we will do.
Okay, this sounds interesting for your shareholders. Would it imply that you would acquire, order book balance sheet with very low cost?
Almost nil cost, you can say. They have 700 crore rupees in their cash balance in bank, which is part of that is their own money, which they have kept in bank for taking bank guarantees, and some advances from the client like we are getting. So in all scenario, it's a win-win situation for NBCC.
Lastly, Mr. Mittal, you had guided for about 20 to 25% revenue growth, 25% order book growth. Could you give us some guidance for next year?
You see, 25% is our initial target at present. It may increase once we reach to some stage, maybe after first quarter, end of first quarter or second quarter, but initially 25%. Definitely, it should be more than that.
All right, Mr. Mittal, thanks for speaking with us. That's NBCC. The board has given its preliminary nod and approval as far as acquiring Hindustan Steelworks goes, which has a huge amount of debt. Some of it the government will help it meet, some of it NBCC will stand the guarantor for. The stock is 0.6% lower as we speak.